What's it called?
Lion.
Lime. Is it a lime?
Lime.
Good.
Eat it.
Do you want to eat it? It's too yucky?
Yeah.
Do you want to throw it in the trash?
Do you want to put it in the trash? Okay.
Do you want some more?
Do you want to eat more of your lime? Bill.
Do you want to eat some? You're going to eat some more lime?
Sorry, Mama's hair's distracting. My hair's very distracting. Oh, fine. Careful. Careful, we don't want to bump the baby.
Is that lime yucky?
Oh, don't eat it.
You're still eating it?
Yeah.
Okay. Eat some more. Eat it.
Uh-oh. Rip it off?
Go ahead.
Look, hard.
Ooh, gross. Are you all done with that lime, honey? Should we put it in the trash? Yeah?
Okay. Come on.